What's up guys, it's me Rapi Samstil and today we're unboxing a monster. This is the Sigma 200mm f2 DGOS Sports, one of the most powerful portrait lenses ever made. And I'll be testing it on the Sony A7R Mark III. Let's go! This lens means business. It's part of Sigma Sports line, so it's built like a tank. It features optical stabilization, wider ceiling, and that legendary f2 aperture. Perfect for low light and stunning subject isolation. Now, let's see how this lens performs for real portraits. I'll shoot wide open at f2 using my Sony A7R Mark III in a full frame mode. The compression at 200mm is just unbelievable. The background melts away, skin tones look natural, and focus fall off is super smooth. The autofocus is fast, and thanks to OS or optical stabilizer, even handheld shot looks sharp. is not your everyday lens. The Sigma 200mm f2 DGOS Sports, it's heavy, expensive, and specialized. But if you love portraits or sports, this is the definition of bokeh king. Tested with the Sony A7R Mark III, it delivers insane sharpness and depth. Totally worth it professional or bokeh lovers. Let me know what lens you want me to test next. And of course, shout out to Puncube Mech Wallet, LensGo Smoke Go, and K&F Concept for supporting this video. If you like our background music, check the audio. These platforms offer tons of background music and sound effects, perfect for your video if you are content creator or filmmakers. Check the audio. They have these two cool AI, the Link Match and the Hans AI. Easy to use and you will get the best music that's perfect for your content. If you want to avail the 70% off, please check the link on the description on this video and use my promo code to avail the 70% off on Audio Pro for 1 year. And if you are searching for a film emulation, check this Dehancer. They have a film emulation set that brings your photo and video film look and nostalgic effects.